Installation of main parts. Remove the zip ties. Loosening but not removing hand screws. Removing the engraving platform.
Different laser module limit screws and limit plates are in different positions. 10W/20W laser module. When the limit plate and the limit screws on both sides are mounted in the position shown, 10W/20W, no adjustment of the limit plate and the limit screws is required for mounting the 10W/20W laser module. When the limit plate and both sides of the limit screws are installed in the position shown in the figure, 2W/W, the installation of 10W/20W laser module requires the adjustment of the limit plate and limit screws. The adjustment method is as follows. Remove the limit plate. The screws for the limit plate of the 10W/20W laser module need to be fixed in the first and second holes. Move the limit screws on both sides from the 2W/40W position to the 10W/20W position. Finished adjusting the position of the limit plate and limit screws for 10W/20W laser modules. When the limit plate and the limit screws on both sides are mounted in the position shown, 2W/40W, no adjustment of the limit plate and limit screws is required for mounting the 2W/40W laser module. When the limit plate and both sides of the limit screws are installed in the position shown in the figure, 10W/20W, the installation of 2W/40W laser module needs to adjust the limit plate and limit screws. The adjustment method is the same as the previous adjustment method. The screws for the limit plate of the 2W/40W laser module need to be fixed in the 6th and 7th holes.
Installation of X-axis integrated parts to body parts. Please place the X-axis parallel down and clip in the bezel on both sides at the same time. Use M4 8mm screws to fix the X-axis integrated parts.
Installation of 10W/20W laser module.
Note, the screws on the top of the back plate of the laser module need to be unscrewed by 3mm. Align the laser with the X-axis hole and tighten the two screws. Note, the laser module needs to be pressed to the bottom. Press and tighten the two screws on the back of the slide plate.
Mounting a 2W/40W laser module is the same as mounting a 10W/20W laser module. The following machine mounting method is based on the example of a 10W laser module.
Remove the contact cover of the main assembly. Mounting base. Remove the handle part of the engraving platform. Attach the engraving table to the base part and fix it with M3 5mm screws. Installation of the top cover. Installing pipe flange. Placement of the body part on the base part. Push the X-axis assembly to secure the base parts and body parts with hand screws. Note, tighten hand screws from the bottom. Place the top cover part on the main body part. Note, the top cover is missing and the contacts of the main part need to be aligned. Push the X-axis assembly to secure the base parts and body parts with hand screws. After opening the pipe, align the opening of the pipe flange and rotate it in the direction of the threads. Note, installation of the pipe requires only 2 or 3 rotations. Removal of the pipe requires a reverse rotation. Insert machine key and turn clockwise to open. Plug in the power cord and USB cable. Long press the power button to turn on the machine and run normally. That is, the installation is completed.
If necessary, 20 watt/40 watt can be connected to an external air pump, and the installation method is the same. The following is an example of the installation method of 20 watt.
Remove the screws. Move the focus bar to the bottom. Installation of right angle quick couplings. Insert the air tube into the right angle quick coupling. Move the focus bar to the top. Installation of 20 watt laser module. Note, the screws on the top of the backplate of the laser module need to be unscrewed by 3mm. Note, the laser module needs to be pressed to the bottom. Align the laser with the X-axis hole and tighten the 2 screws. Press and tighten the 2 screws on the back of the slide plate. Insert the air hose through the retaining clasp and into the right angle quick coupling. Insert the air hose of the external air pump into the air assist.